This is a video on Class 8 Mathematics, and this is the part in which we'll start with Chapter 10, that is Direct and Inverse Variation. So, in this chapter, we'll start directly with the exercise, that is Exercise 10. Question number 1. If the cost of 40 toys is Rs 1024, what is the cost of 1 dozen such toys? So, first here, the cost of 40 toys is given. Let us find the cost of 1 toy. So cost of 40 toys is equals to Rs 1024. So cost of 1 toy, how to find out? We will divide. So what to divide? Rs 1024 divided by 40. Therefore, cost of 1 dozen toys will be, now we know that 1 dozen equals to 12. Okay, so the cost of 12 toys will be rupees. So that is cost of 1 toy into 12. So cost of 1 toy was how much? 1024 divided by 40 into 12. On solving this, we'll get the amount as rupees 3072 divided by 10. This can also be written as rupees 307.20. That is rupees 307.20 paise. Next, question number 3. If 50 pencils can be bought for rupees 120, how many pencils can be bought for rupees 108? So let us find the cost price of one pencil. So cost of 50 pencils is equals to rupees 120. So cost of one pencil is equals to, that is 120 divided by 50. Now to find the cost, now to find that how many pencils can be bought by 108 rupees, what we need to do is the 108 divided by cost of one pencil. Okay, so 108 divided by cost of one pencil is 120 divided by 50. So this division in the next step will be converted into multiplication, and 120 by 50 will get reciprocal as 50 by 120. So on further solving this, we'll get the amount as 45. Therefore, 45 pencils can be bought for rupees 108. Question number 5. If a laborer earns rupees 784 per week, that is 784 per week, how much will he earn in 15 days? So we know that in a week, how many days are there? So number of days in a week is equals to 7. So money earned by the laborer in 7 days is equal to rupees 784. So how much does he earn in 1 day? So money earned by a laborer in 1 day is equal to rupees 784 divided by 7. That is equal to rupees 112. Now we can easily find out how much does he earns in 15 days. Therefore, money a laborer earns in 15 days. So this is 1 day's earning of a laborer. So 15 days he will earn more. That is rupees 112 into 15. That is equal to rupees 1680. Question number 7. 15 men can do a piece of work in 36 hours. How many men will be required to finish the work in 20 hours? Now see, in this cost of commodities and all, when we are finding one commodity, we are dividing, because automatically the price of one commodity is less than the amount of more commodity, right? But in case of people, what happens is when 15 men completes a work in 13 days or 30 days, so one man will take more time, isn't it? So the calculation is little bit different over here. That is, 15 men does a piece of work in 36 hours. So number of men required to complete the piece of work in 1 hour. So if the work has to be completed in 1 hour, so more number of people will be required, isn't it? So here we have to multiply it, that is 15 into 36. Therefore, number of men required to complete the piece of work in 20 hours. Now, when you are given 20 hours to complete the work, so definitely the number of men will reduce now. So that will be divided. Okay, so here 15 into 36 was 1 hour work. 1 hour, in 1 hour work, how many people are required? Now in 20 hours, obviously the number of men will decrease. So we have divided it by 20. That is 15 into 36 divided by 20. On calculating it or on solving it, we'll get the answer as 27. So to complete the work in 20 hours, 27 men are required. Moving on to the last question of this part. 13 men can weave 117 baskets in a week. How many men will be needed to weave 189 baskets in 3 days? So 13 men weaved 107 baskets in 7 days. So one man weaves 107 baskets, so number of days will be more, that is 7 into 13 days. Now one man weaves one basket in, so now the number of days will decrease because one man is weaving one basket. So 7 into 13 divided by 117 days. Now let us assume that the required number of men be P, because they have asked in the question to find out the number of men to weave 189 baskets in 3 days. Okay, so let the required number of men be P. So P man weaves one basket in. So if the number of men has increased now, so number of days will decrease. So 7 into 13 divided by 117 into P days. So P men weaves 189 baskets in. Now the number of baskets has increased, so the number of days will also increase. That is 7 into 13 into 189 divided by 117 into P. Now according to the question, number of days was given. So this equation is equals to 3, which was the number of days given in the question. So 7 into 13 into 189 divided by 117 into P is equals to 3. So take the P to the other side, and this 3 will come to the denominator. So P equals to 7 into 13 into 189 divided by 117 into 3. So on solving this, we'll get the answer as 49. So 49 men are required to weave 189 baskets in 3 days. So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching.